Hey you guys, it's a new day and it's time for a new adventure. So today I'm at Wonderboom Nature Reserve in Pretoria North, and yeah, we're going to check out this place. We're going to see what the place has to offer and see what sights and sounds we can see and hear. So let's hit the trails and let's do this day. We've got some overcast conditions this morning. It's nice and cool. It's a great day to be out. It's not cold, but obviously it's not hot at all. And I reckon we're going to definitely see a whole lot here today. It's quite dense around here, as you guys can see. Check that out. So we'll just be following the trail and moving through it as quietly as possible and see what we can see. So as I'm making my way up here, this is what is on the other side. Looking down, you guys can see like it's an awesome view down here just of Pretoria North and further on. So let's carry on and let's get to the top. So they say there's a fort up here, so I want to check it out. I'll try and get some information for you guys on the fort and how it came to be, but still got a long way to go to get up here. You guys, this must be the fort that they were talking about. I'm right at the top now. So I'm going to show you what it looks like behind me. That's north, and that's the way I came from. Let's just continue walking this path. I see they put up a railing here. I reckon it can be quite dangerous if you fall down. But let's check this out. You can see these are old stone walls. Let's just stand on top here. There we go. That's what it looks like from this side. And that is south. So you guys can see what it looks like on the south. There's Pretoria CBD and the rest of the awesome view up here, guys. This is pretty cool. Out, you guys. They must have peered through these holes to check out through there. I'm going to try and get on the other side and show you guys what it looks like over there. But first of all, I'm going this side here. And there's a bush blocking the way here, so I can't get down there. I'll have to go around and see if I can show you guys what it looks like on the other side. It's pretty cool though. Alright you guys, so this is the other side of the wall. I'm going to go this way and see if I can get through here. It's all about the views, you guys, and this is a spectacular view from up here. If you guys watched my episode where I was at North Nature Reserve, that is on the other side of the CBD. So this is north facing south and Groenkloof is south facing north. But check this out. The houses look so tiny from up here. Going through the gates now. Get a kind of an eerie feeling when you come in here. And then this is probably inside, or what remains of it. Those walls are super high and super thick. Check that out. These over here must be the peepholes, but I'm definitely going to give you guys some more information on this place and what it's all about and how it came to be. It's unfortunate that the place has been vandalized by people, as you can expect. These are like little rooms, doorways. I wonder what they were. Well, here it is as promised, guys. Fort Wonderboom. Alright, so it was completed on the 4th of September 1897, and the fort cost £49,000. Now, I don't know, I think that's probably British pounds, or maybe it was the South African pound before we changed it to rands. The fort was supplied with electricity, guys, by a paraffin engine, yes, and equipped with a lightning conductor as well. The fort had an underground telegraph and running water that was pumped from the Arpies River, which is right running like past there as well. Yeah, there were 18 gunners stationed at the fort, and by the 5th of June 1900, only one gunner remained and no cannons were left. The fort was then opened to the public from 1904 because it was no longer under military control. The fort was meant to be converted into a prison, but they feared that it was going to be used by enemy forces during the Second World War. So the Prime Minister Jan Smuts had ordered that the roof be demolished. So that is why there's no more roof on that place. And yep, now it forms part of the Wonderboom Nature Reserve, and we see the ruins today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's get back to the video. So that was really fun, but the journey's got to continue, and we've got to see what the rest of this place has to offer. So I have down here picked up on some boktrolla, as we call them. They look pretty fresh too. So they did mention that there are some antelope out here, so I'm going to keep my eyes peeled and see if I can see anything. And just another abandoned place in the middle of the reserve. There's this tower, which is pretty high, obviously non-functional, and as adventurous as I am, I would say extremely dangerous to climb up. So I would not do that, and I don't think it's allowed either. But check this out. More weird places. Just abandoned. I'm moving through now on the other side. I haven't seen any big wildlife except for birds and insects, but I'm keeping my eyes open, just enjoying the views and the fresh air and all the goodness of nature. Except, as you guys can hear, there's big noise, cars and traffic and hooters and all sorts of things going on in the background. So the surrounding areas are quite built up and noisy, but in here it's pretty tranquil. There's nothing that beats these views. That's one thing that I can say, is that the views are very, very awesome indeed. And I'm going to just chill here for a little while and just take it in. There's not much further to go and then I'm at the top. So yeah, it's time for a bit of a break, sip a cold drink, get my energy levels up again, and then I'm ready to rock this place. Well, you guys, I missed the path somewhere and now I'm stuck here on the side of the koppie. Well, not stuck, but I'm like way on the edge. There was a silent waterfall and I got all excited and I wanted to go and see the waterfall, and the only thing I'm worrying about falling is myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and get off here and get back onto the path. So whew, yeah, at least the weather's playing its part, so it's not burning me up. So let me get off the side of this cliff, or whatever you want to call it. This is where I'm sitting, you guys. As you can see, it goes quite far down, and then there's the main road and the railway tracks, and then the other koppie on the other side. Well, that's it for today's adventure, you guys. I'm safely back on ground level and I'm heading on out of here. I've had a great day and it's been an awesome experience here at Wonderboom. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.